Well, greetings, Kirby G3 fans. A number of months ago, Thomas Rechtenwald donated this G3 to the lab, and I proceeded to go ahead and completely refurbish it. So now it's all nice and shiny. But I want you to pay particular attention to the fact that no additional modifications have been made to this machine. It's all cleaned up and whatnot, and I got a brand new factory chevron brushroll for it. So I'm not using the stiff oblique or anything else or any other weird modifications. The only thing I'm doing really is just using an upgraded HEPA bag. So this machine is essentially stock. So let's see how the original G3 does in original G3 form. And we can compare it to newer machines with different brush rolls, different airflow, etc. So I'm going to say 64.39. Oh, it just moved. Okay, I'll just give it a few seconds because this is kind of boring, just waiting for it to stabilize. All right, I'll say 64.40 grams. So that's what we're going to stick with. Let me reset up and we'll do the sand test. There's 5 grams disappearing into the carpet. And there we go. I'm going to set it to position 3, which is what I use on this carpet, and do our 10 full cycles. I tell you, this G3 is definitely quieter than the newer Kirbys. I'll give you that. Let's get out the board of measurement. Make sure you can see. We started out with 64.40. Let's see what we got. This bag is so wide, I got to make sure it doesn't touch the board and affect the measurement. Okay, we are at 67 point something. 67 point. All right, I'll say 01. So 67.01. We'll subtract 64.4. We have 2.61 out of 5, so divide that there. And that means 52.2%. And that is pretty much what I thought this machine would actually do. I've done a lot of other tests, some with dirt pads, some with paper bags. That's pretty much what I thought this thing would actually do. So you'll have to go back and take a look at some of those old videos that I made. I realized some of them, like say with the G4, same brush roll, same basic setup as the G3. So that's what we got. I'll put some comparisons in this particular video, and now let's move on to the baking soda tests.